Hey Jim, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I spoke with Vicky, who thought you would be interested in this custom video I'm about to show you. We're going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away to enhance your online presence and get more of those leads coming in. Um, your website is what generates 70% of your organic leads, so it's very important that your website be fully optimized to capture all of that potential traffic. So as you can see, we're on your website, and you have a nice looking website. Your designer has done a lot of things right, has done a good job. It is important that every single one of your services have their own page, which it looks like it does. Um, Keywords, buyer intent keywords are important. We have some here. I would structure it a little bit differently, more Google friendly, but they're there. We got some good content. Veteran owned. Wonderful. I love that. Thank you so much for your service. We love our veterans. Our veteran clients are our favorite, actually. So yes, thank you for your service. Let's see, perfect. You guys got separate page for everybody in your service area. That's exactly what you need. So you're on the right track there. Okay. I want to check one other thing. And look at a couple of these. Grafton, Illinois. Okay. This looks like a duplicate of part of your home page. Okay. So yes, you do need a separate page for every single one of your service areas that have keyword volume, but they have to have unique content. I think this is part of the problem you guys are having, is the cannibalization, having the duplicate content on multiple pages, just switching out areas. So this is one problem. Every page needs to have its own unique content. Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They rank it based on content. Content is key. You need a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage, going after those buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching for in your service area for the services you provide. They won't necessarily know the name of your company, and they probably aren't going to care, um, as long as they can get the first person out to their property in an emergency. So working on that content and keyword strategy, making sure that it's unique content on every single one of your pages, and really dialing in that keyword strategy is going to be important. If we look at your keywords right here, that you're actually ranking for, majority of them are brand based. You do have a couple on your home page here, that are ranking. Most of your keywords that are ranking are all homepage based, so kind of missing the boat there. You want to be able to rank on your service pages as well as your service area. Here is your top competitor in St. Louis. They don't have a terrific website. Yours is much better. but they are still beating you. They have the separate pages. They are going after those keywords. They have a little bit of content, not nearly enough content, but they've actually really dialed in their content strategy and their keywords, and they're using it more appropriately with unique content. One thing they are really missing out on is that they do not appear to have any service area pages. So all of their content and keywords are dialed into St. Louis exclusively, or national keywords. So in order to beat these guys, you have to have more content, better content, and focus on that keyword strategy. That'll be one of the first steps. This is a program called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website performs. You have an 8 for a domain rating, which is the value of your entire website according to Google, which means Google doesn't have a whole lot of trust in your website, which is 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. You have a lot of backlinks and a low score, which says that majority of these backlinks are irrelevant, are not related to your industry, no follows, or spammy backlinks. So you need to get rid of a lot of those and focus on your authoritative backlinks, because not all backlinks are created equal. So you do need more backlinks than your top competitors in each of your service areas, but you also need better quality. You have a good page rating for your home page, because most of your backlinks are going to your home page. You've been indexed for over 400 keywords, yet you're only getting on average 132 people to your website. If we look at your competitor, they have a higher rating with lower backlinks, which just goes to show you that not all backlinks are created equal. And they're getting more organic traffic. But there's thousands in organic traffic available, so you guys are both missing out quite a bit. Just real quick, out of 787 of your backlinks, you only have 317, so less than a third of backlinks that are actually helping your website. A backlink is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant it is to your industry, the more power it's going to give you. You need to make sure that they do follow backlinks, so they share the high power and help you rank. And you also need to tie these in with your keywords on all of your service pages and service area pages, so you can rank and be found for those services. And finally is the Google Maps or Google My Business. You want to make sure that you're in the top 3 for all of your service areas and relevant keywords, because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. So it is really important to be in the top 3. The most important part to be in top 3 is your citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, etc. And you need a lot more than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these steps I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your relative keywords in all of your service areas. The purpose of this video is to be purely educational. We would definitely love your feedback on what you thought of the video. If you do need help getting any of this stuff done, please reach out to us at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.